Ness-ana TV. Hello friends, our topic for today is parts of the body. Parts of the body. Can you say that? Again. Parts of the body. But before we go ahead, we are going to sing a special song. Let's go! My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe. They all belongs together. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe. They all belong together. Good job! Now let's go to our class. Remember we said our topic is what? Parts of the body. Good job. Head. Head. Can you touch your head? Can you show me your head? Head. Ear. Can you touch your ear? Ear. Can you say that? Ear. Eyes. Eyes. Can you show me your eyes? Again. Good job. Nose. Nose. I'm touching my nose. Nose. Mouth. Mouth. Can you show me your mouth? Mouth. Teeth. Teeth. Can you show me your teeth? Teeth. Good job. Tongue. Tongue. Can you show me your tongue? Tongue. Well done. Hands. I'm clapping my hands. I'm clapping my hands. Hands. Buttocks. Buttocks. We sit with our buttocks. Can you touch your buttocks? Legs. Legs. We walk with our legs. We walk with our legs. Toes. Toes. Can you touch your toes? Good job. Toes. Knee. Knee. Can you touch your knee? Wonderful. Shoulder. Shoulder. Can you touch your shoulder? Very good. Stomach. Stomach. Can you say that? Again. Stomach. Back. Back. Can you say that? Very good. All right, boys and girls, let's take it again. Head. Head. Ear. Ear. Eyes. Eyes. Nose. Nose. Mouth. Mouth. Teeth. Teeth. Tongue. Tongue. Hands. Hands. Buttocks. Buttocks. Legs. Legs. Toes. Toes. Knee. Knee. I'm touching my knees. Shoulder. Shoulder. Stomach. Stomach. Back. Back. Very good, boys and girls. Alright, now I'm going to give you, guess, a class work. I'm giving you a class work. And the class work is, I want you to touch these parts of your body and tell me their names. Good job.